Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Allow me to provide you with the step-by-step procedure. Let's get started. On mobile device, open the Spotify app and play a song on full screen. While the song is playing, swipe up on the Now Playing screen. Look for the Behind the Lyrics section below the song's progress bar. Now, tap on the Behind the Lyrics section to access in-depth song insights. Read through the lyrics and annotations to learn more about the songs. That's it. Now let's discuss about desktop version of Spotify. Open the Spotify app and play the song for which you desire to view the lyrics. If the Behind the Lyrics feature is available for the song, you'll see a button of Behind the Lyrics which looks like a mic and located on the bottom of your screen. Click on the Behind the Lyrics button and the lyrics will be shown in a pop-up window with interesting information about the song and artist. That's it. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave your comments below.